Here at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2013 Honda CBR250R. This is the Repsol edition. The bike has approximately 5,500 miles and is offered for $29.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great low seat height, entry-level sport bike, good for commuting, good for the beginner rider. It's got the Repsol racing package on it, which is really nice. 5,500 miles. Bike's been gone through by our service department, did an oil change, a safety check on it, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.